chế đặt á tổ một sai chế còn đặt trong lô nó sẽ có một chế maintenance phải phải của tận nhá không thể tận ý của tận lạc phía sai chế có một chế để cho tôi sai chế được sai chế chế đầu thổi nữa một chế đi là đa một chế là chế là đa một chế đi à chế就这里是就在那大字chế y cái kiểu chip phá để kỹ luôn sẽ chết kỹ thôi và chỉ tao chip phá still okay chua phá Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. You been helped already?
No, I just take a look first.
Taking a look.
Yeah.
Okay. Looking at the Camrys, huh?
Yeah, just look some.
Nice new Camrys.
Yeah.
LE, SE.
No. Just look at my daughter in the one. So today I just service my car though.
Okay.
I just come take a look like what happened. Now have no car no more.
Yeah. Barely
What happened?
Any. Barely any.
What happened to car?
COVID. COVID happened. COVID happened to the car market.
Yeah. So.
It's, we're struggling to get cars, and we just got a big shipment though. That's why we have a whole bunch. You should have seen like last month. Last month I had maybe 4 or 5 cars.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
But
man.
now I have a few. I have a couple out here, but it's the weekend tomorrow. These cars gonna be gone.
Yeah. So Toyota they don't carry for the electric car.
We do. We have electric car. I have a couple up front. The BZ4X.
Just that. That's
Not the red one right here. Well, I do have a red one up there.
that's the red one.
Yes.
It's Toyota, right?
There's a red one. There's a white one, and then I have another gray one behind this wall. I got one on the showroom floor. I got another white
That's
one.
a 100% electric.
Yep. Z4X.
Let's check it out. They still rebate on the stick and regular
So
tax, right?
the $7,500 tax credit is only on cars made in America.
Oh,
And these ones are made in Japan. But you're still getting a $2,500 rebate through Toyota.
okay. Oh. So
So
this
cash-
one not make in America?
Made in Japan.
Oh, that's not gonna make it, huh?
Yeah, they have to be built in America in order to get that
Yeah.
$7,500 tax break. But
Actually,
that's just a tax break. You get the $2,500 cash rebate. It's like a down payment on the car.
no, actually they have a Tesla. Tesla, they have both rebate,
Yeah.
you know. So
This is the XLE, is the base model.
yeah.
So yeah, this one you got a limit. I have a limited.
So how
rate
much
on
the
it.
price on
These ones 46.
46.
46,758 for this one.
So that's still okay.
And then my limited is I think 48, 49.
So what's the first model electric Toyota?
What was that? Parts service? Service is right here, but parts is inside. Yeah.
So
What was
what
that?
is the first year's electric Toyota?
The first year of electric Toyota
Yeah.
was a long time ago. I don't remember the year off
Yeah.
the top of my head. This one came out in 22 though. But we've had electric vehicles a long time ago.
I know, but we have a hybrid, but hybrids, electric and gas, but not the 100%.
We had a fully electric like RAV4 come out not that long ago. A while ago. It was a while ago. You're not gonna remember it because there weren't that many sold.
Yeah,
But this is supposed to be our big push
Yeah.
into the electric world.
because we wanna know how long if we don't wanna buy the first one. First one, the
It's
trouble.
second year. Second year. this is
Second
out.
year already.
It's not the first ones anymore.
Yeah, my daughter want electric now, so either way, because I have no late rebate, so probably not.
Yeah, the only rebate you're getting right now, I got special financing on these, and then I have the $2,500 through Toyota if you finance through Toyota.
Because they
But
don't carry
they're
here.
not giving the $7,500 tax break for these because they're not made in America.
So here is not. You guys don't carry a Tesla here, no? But the other, not around here.
I get them in as like trade-ins sometimes, but I don't have any like just as, like
Brand new one. Okay, that's good. Let's think about. I talked to my daughter. If she want it, we can get one. Because she said she want an electric. So we have like a hybrid, but still. We gonna change the futures. We need the electric. Okay, if I look at something, I call you. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I just look all your car.
Here,
What-
let me grab your card real quick before you go.
Yeah,
Give me just a second.
yeah. Này electric car, okay, electric car. I have an electric car. Lâu châu ấp hạ, lâu châu ấp hạ electric car. Đây là lại cái bản nia cái nia chỉ biết tôi dưới lúc nó đã xì là mình để cho ấp hạ chí xưa là ở đây chơi nhịp bột tua nè lúc đi lia nó giờ bao châu trâu phá bao cho trâu phá chị bao cho trâu phá.
My name
Okay.
is Trey. If you have questions, give me a call, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bao cho trâu phá hai cửa nó mà nó phải phá một cầu số và cái chừng nhịp bột tua đó electric car.